It all depends on the financial status of the association, where the association is located. You know, I'm here in South Florida, or what's considered to be the north part of South Florida, which is Palm Beach County. You know, Dade and Broward, where the cases, according to the numbers that are provided by the state anyway, are such that those are kind of still hotspots, and so associations have to worry about the protection of their members. Also, too, the economies are being affected in a way that members are really having a tough time. People are having a tough time being out of work. That kind of cuts both ways. You could sit there and say to a board, well, you should reduce our assessments because we're having trouble finding work, or we're going through our savings, or whatever the case may be. So you should reduce those fees because we're all out of work. The flip side to it is that the board is probably going to look at the residents and go, people look, because they're out of work, they've stopped paying assessments, and we can't lower the people that are paying the assessments. So I haven't run into associations that are so flush with money that they are actually reducing assessments. I'm sure it's happening somewhere, but I think it's probably in the minority. But it depends on the geographical location. It depends on the atmosphere of the development. The atmosphere of some developments may be a lot more lax in regard to what amenities are being closed. There are insurance issues that come into play, whether or not associations and boards should close the amenities. But as stated before, there are also people are paying for those amenities and not getting those. And they obviously argue that those can be made safe, or that those are safe to have open to the members of the community, and yet they're being denied by the association. So there's all kinds of variables in regard to that question.